Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the aperture cable of the Canon 17-85mm lens. Also I'm going to talk about what tools you will need to do that. Actually this video is part of a video series. I have 4 other videos about the Canon 17-85mm lens. In the first one I'm talking about the typical problems and solutions. The second one is about how to disassemble the lens. This is the third video. And the fourth video is about cleaning the sensor strip or sensor bar and assembling the lens. Now let's talk about the tools that I will use to remove the old aperture cable and replace it with a new one. I have to use a PH000 screwdriver, which is a smaller one. I'm gonna use a metal tweezer for removing the remains of the cable. And of course, to remove the soldering iron, you need a soldering gun, and optionally, you can use a pump to remove the soldering iron. Additionally, I will use cutting pliers and some cutting tools. So this video is about replacing the aperture cable. So first let's start with the disassembly of the aperture unit. Remove those 3 screws. And then there is 1 screw. Remove that. Separate the cable and that metal part. And now let's cut the cable, which is the parts which is not needed. So it will be easier to remove the cable. The next step is to cut the cables into 4 pieces. The reason is that it is easier to remove that one by one than by the 4 at once. I bend the side of the cable so I can grab the cable with the tweezer much easier. And this is how it looks like. Cut that smaller part into 4 pieces. And this is how it looks like. Now I remove the remains of the cable. I use a tweezer to grab that and I lift it off. So actually that's the reason that I cut it into 4 pieces. It's much easier to remove only one at once. So this is how it looks like after the cable has been removed. Now it's time to install the new cable. Okay, we are done. Now place the smaller part of the cable. That is how it looks like, and now push down that part of the cable. And we are done installing the new cable. So now it's time to install the aperture in its case. This is the place where the cable should be. And first use those 3 screws. And then there's a metal part which should be installed. The cable goes under that metal part. Now remove the cover and stick the cable to that metal part. We have to remove that part from the old cable and install it on the new cable. I'm going to use a screwdriver to bend. there is a sign where you should bend the cable. And we are ready. We are finished with replacing the cable. The lens elements goes like this inside the lens. So, thank you for watching this video, and let's continue with the assembly of the lens. Thank you very much for watching my videos. If you find it useful and informative, please click on the like button, subscribe on my channel, and watch my other videos. Also, donate by PayPal or Bitcoin if you wish. So thank you again, and see you next time in another video.